Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a scientist, Sir C.V. Raman. Chandrasekhara Venkat Raman was born on November 7, 1888 in the city of Tiruchirappalli in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. His father Chandrasekharan Ramanathan, a teacher of mathematics and physics, and his mother was Parvati Ammal. Education. He completed BA degree in 1904, winning gold medal in physics. In 1907, he completed the MA degree in physics with the highest distinctions. Now, let us look at discoveries and researches. Acoustics. Studied and published the physics on musical sounds in instruments like violin, veena, tabla and mirdangam. Optics. Raman spectroscopy. Using spectroscopic technique, determined vibrational modes of molecules. Photon spin. Discovered that photons of light carry angular momentum. That is, photons possess property called spin. Scattering of light. When light travels through a transparent material, light is scattered and its wavelength changed. This is also called the Raman effect. Now let's look at awards and recognitions. In 1930, he won the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on the scattering of light and for the discovery of the effect called Raman effect. In 1954, he was rewarded the Bharat Ratna. Recognition. India celebrates National Science Day on 28th February of every year to celebrate the discovery of Raman effect in 1928. Postal stamps featuring Raman were issued in 1971 and 2000s. An area in eastern Bangalore is called C.V. Raman Nagar. A building at the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore is named the Raman Building. A hospital in eastern Bangalore is named Sir C.V. Raman Hospital. Here's a famous quote by C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman once famously said, "Ask the right questions, and nature will open the door to her secrets." Thank you all for watching and subscribe for more videos just like this.